Did you say you need an action cam? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna see together what happened with this new release from action cams and especially from DJI. Very recently, just a couple of days ago, DJI announced their new product which is called DJI Osmo Action 3. And the same day, GoPro announced the release of the brand new GoPro Hero 11 black version, super duper, whatever it is. And so these are two new products that entered and were released in the market a couple of days ago. But what happened with the modular design that DJI implemented with the Action 2? The original Action was in the same shape and size as the GoPro, so rectangular shape with interchangeable lens. It was not a real alternative to GoPro because, let's face it, at the time GoPro was far better than that. But then with the Action Cam Action 2, DJI implemented the modular shape. And I felt in love with this. And I not only wanted it, I felt I needed it, and I will explain you very soon why. But what happened? Why now with the Action 3 they came back to the original form factor? We all know that with this form factor they had some overheating troubles and they had to fix it, but nonetheless the people were complaining a lot, clients were complaining. They sent over for free a polycarbonate case that was not only just protecting the action cam but also helping with overheating, but apparently that was not enough to move forward maintaining the same modular form factor. So they went back to the original one, and now the Action 3 is a to-go camera. It's very good, the shape is great, the battery is long-lasting, you will not have any overheating problem. And they also went the other side and they are granting you that you can use it even in cold temperatures up to minus 20 degrees Celsius, meaning if you're going to ski, snowboarding this season, you can have it with you. But why this form factor was so special and why I wanted it? So I did plenty of things worth recording when I was younger, and I'm talking about 15 to 20 years ago, but back then we didn't have any action cam, so I didn't record anything. And so growing up, I stopped doing the snowboarding and stuff, and now I was in need of recording a POV video for my photography. So this was great for me because I could simply wear it with this necklace, I could wear it on my t-shirt and forget about it. I didn't have to bring with me 2,000 different mounts, I didn't have to take care of the camera, I was just wearing it and starting recording. Or eventually, and this is the main use, I was using it in the hot shoe of my camera. So as simple as that, you put the screw in. I gifted myself with this Ulanzi mount that is quite easy to mount. As you can see, it's just a screw, and when you're ready to go, as simple as that. Very small, still pocketable. I can keep these in my pockets, in my jeans, in my jacket, in my backpack, and when needed, I can mount it on top of my camera and have a POV recording. So that was great about it. And this is what I will miss eventually from the new form factor. But let's face it, the new factor is more resistant. It has heat dissipation, the battery lasts longer, and it's also now able to record 4K videos with 120 frames per second, while this one was only up to 60. Now, not that I'm using very often the slow-mo, but if needed, it's nice to have. Now, as it happens many times, they will try to make you feel that you need to upgrade to the new GoPro or to the new Action 3. The new Action 3 really doesn't have anything new to me. It's just more frame per second and an old form factor. Yes, you can have the filters if you want to screw it in front of your lens, while here you could not. But apart from that, it's big and bulky. Yes, the battery will last longer, but I don't feel any need to upgrade. While my best recommendation for you would be to consider the old Action 2, because with this form factor, make sure if they stopped making it, no other brands will ever do something similar. So I would warmly suggest that you keep an eye on the price drop for this Action 2, because Thanksgiving is approaching and you might find some bargain deal, and this has been a very good companion to me. It was always ready, it's so smooth and sleek and small that it was always in my pockets, and when you need it you just use the mount that they provide you with. You don't need to have with you the cage for the chest to have it here. You don't need to have the big and bulky mount for the hat, for the helmet, for whatever any other mount that you are used to purchase if you're using GoPro. With this, I forgot about it. I simply had my necklace mount, that Ulanzi mount to put on top of my camera, and eventually the old stick. These are things that you will not even feel in your backpack, and the camera will be always with you. While different story is if you need color grading your videos, because right now with the brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black version, you will have 10-bit recording in your action cam. Nobody of us has ever done any color grading to the 8-bit recording, because it's just not the way it's supposed to be. And so to help you with the color grading, well, DJI was using a more saturated tonality in their recording, while other brands were giving more contrast, or they played better with the highlights. But right now you will have a 10-bit recording with the GoPro, meaning that you can eventually have a longer workflow, download everything, do the color grading, and then do your cut and paste and mix, creating your videos, and then eventually be ready to go live, unless you want to use the GoPro Cloud and just publish and share your videos as they are. Another big news, and I'm a bit scared here talking about it, because I saw that both GoPro and the DJI Action 3, they were contemplating the possibility of having vertical recording, which is a nonsense to me, but I do understand that it became the standard due to a lot of people recording videos with their phones, which have a vertical shape, and then sharing it in the YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reels, whatever. They used to have vertical recording, and so also the action cams are following this trend. If you have this need, you will be more than happy, because both the DJI Action 3 and the GoPro Hero Black 11 have the chance to do so. So whether you're going with DJI or GoPro or any other action cam brand, think twice, because you might not be able to purchase another modular cam again anytime soon. So take one before they are finished. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye.